Hey guys, my name is Greg Deneo with Unpop, and today I'm going to show you how you can use an Unpop box to give away a free ebook or a free online training course that will enable you to grow your email list. What you're looking at right here is the standard WordPress dashboard. And if you're going to use Unpop to give away an ebook or an online course, actually the first thing that you want to do is go into your email service provider, such as Aweber, and set up your list. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Here in Aweber, I've actually already set up a list, and I'm going to create my very first autoresponder. So the autoresponder is going to say, "Hey guys, thank you for signing up. Here is the ebook that you requested. Regards, Unpop team." Now, I left a little blank space right here because I'm going to go and get my Headline Hacks link, which is the ebook that I'm going to give away, and you can see that right here. So basically, I'm just going to copy and then go back to Aweber, paste this link, and now I'm done. I'm just going to save that here. Now that you have your email list all set up and your first autoresponder completed, you want to head back over to the WordPress dashboard so that way you can integrate Unpop with your email service provider. And in order to do that, you simply go to the Unpop settings tab over here, and you find the email client that you're working with. So I'm working with Aweber, so I'll click Aweber, and then it'll say to get my integration or authorization code, I simply click here. So I'm just going to click there. Now I log into Aweber again. I click allow access, and up pops my authorization code. So I just simply copy and paste it here. I click save changes, success saving the key, and now I'm done. Once you're done integrating your email service provider with Unpop, now you're actually ready to begin building an Unpop box. So in order to do that, you simply go to Unpop Boxes tab and then click Add New. The first thing you're going to want to do is enter the name of your Unpop box. So for purposes of this trial, I'm just going to click Greg's Test. And now I'm going to scroll down a little bit more, and I'm going to insert a headline so that way I could grab the attention of my readers. So I'm giving away the ebook Headline Hacks. And so the headline that I'm going to create with that is "Grab Your Cheat Sheet for Blog Posts That Go Viral." And once I create the headline, I'm just going to enter a little bit of text right underneath it for a bit more of a description. So that's going to be, "Want your posts to go viral? Grab the cheat sheet." And if I was actually going to create a real Unpop box, then I would spend a lot more time with the text. However, for the purposes of this demo, this is good enough. Once you create your headline and some text underneath to describe what you're giving away, now you're ready to go to the Unpop box placement box and determine where you want the Unpop box to show up on your blog. So you have a couple of options here. You could click entire site and Unpop will come up everywhere on your blog, or you can customize it so that it only comes up on the pages and categories and posts that you select. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm actually just going to leave it for the entire site. After you determine where you want your Unpop box to show up on your blog, now you go to the Unpop box timing box. And for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to leave most of these categories as the default selection, so I won't touch most of them. However, one of the things that I do want to do is go to this category right here. How many times should a reader visit the pages before seeing the box for the first time? And I'm actually going to say 0 here because I want it to come up every time a reader visits the page or the blog. How many seconds after the page loads should the box delay before appearing? And again, I'm going to click 0 here because I want it to come up immediately after the blog loads. Now you could actually delay Unpop coming up on your blog if you want to capture your readers' attention after they've read some of your content on your blog. And then finally, I'm going to go down here, and how many times should the box be displayed again in the future? And I'm going to click 1,000 here because I want it to be displayed as many times as possible in the future to each individual reader. Now you're ready to create the web form for your Unpop box. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the Unpop box opt-in box, and you're going to create the web form. So in link area, I'm actually just going to leave this as the default. But what this is basically the text underneath the button, the submit button or the subscribe button or whatever button you're going to create. And basically what you could do here is if you want to tell people that you're not going to spam them, you would tell them that. Or if you're an affiliate, this is actually a great place to put your affiliate link and things like that. So I'm just going to leave this as a default. Opt-in function. I'm going to click email service because we want to integrate our email service provider now with our web form. And so now I'm going to go to button text and just click download now. And then I'm going to go to the opt-in confirmation message text. Now every email service provider has your readers and your subscribers double opt-in. So what you want to do with the opt-in confirmation message text is just remind your reader to go to their email so that way they double opt-in and get on your list and get your giveaway. So we're just going to type thank you for subscribing, check your email. And that's it. Now I'm going to go choose the email service, and I'm going to choose Aweber because that's where I've set up my list and my autoresponder. And then I'm going to click the Unpop test list because that's the list that I have created within my email service provider. And I could capture their name. However, what I really want is just their email address, and I don't need their name, so I'm going to click exclude name right here. And finally, you're ready to see your Unpop box live. So what you want to do is scroll all the way up to the top of the dashboard. You're going to select enabled, and then you're going to click update or publish, whichever this says right here. For us it says update. And then we're going to click view post to see it, and voila, here's our Unpop box. Grab your cheat sheet for blog posts that go viral. You're going to give the person the ability to enter their email address. They're going to click download now, and your giveaway is going to wind up in their inbox. So that's how you give away an ebook or an online course using the Unpop box.